Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone's story to your story on Instagram, right? So this is very easy thing to do. The first thing that you can ask that person to send at the same media, whether it's photo or video. But if you don't have that option, for example, let's take this is Cristiano and I want to add this as a story, right? So I will just go to the main account here. This is the main account and I just want to add this as my story. How I can do it? The first option I have is to take a screenshot. I can take a screenshot, I can crop the not useful stuffs here, and then I can just put this as my story, right? So I'll just go back, right? And here I'll just click on my plus icon here. Now here I will just select that image and I can put this as my story. But what if there is a video? Right, what if there's a video? How you gonna do that? To do that, for example, let's take that this is a video. Well, there are so many websites from where you can just download Instagram videos, so let me show you. This is here. Let me take you to the, for example, just go to Google and type here download Insta videos, right? So this is the videos and these are some of the there are many websites. You have to just paste the URL here and right now you can just download and put it into your Instagram story. So these are the two ways which I've shown you for the images as well as for this video. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.